heard? Respectfully, you know you rocking with, you heard? This Maxx Really Real. Coming from Brownsville, Brooklyn, you heard?
Right.
Woo shit.
You want me to sit here?
Yeah, you could get it.
She got banana pudding. She got I ain't gonna lie.
Y'all don't be hiding back there either.
Definitely never.
Right? Look, we got a star in the building. Because this is like legendary. You about to make me go viral. I'm about to go viral.
Damn, nah, what?
I'm about to go viral on YouTube.
What questions you got?
No, I'm going viral because you here. Because you like doing this. You doing my HotBox Session.
I think your questions will be crazy.
You think so? No, I'm going to take it easy. I'm going to ask like good questions because...
Nah, she brought a book out, man.
Y'all was
We
in
about to
here.
pull up real quick.
Right? So wait, y'all gotta introduce yourself. So Max, you gotta go first.
Hold on now, wait. Let us roll up.
Well, I'm gonna introduce myself. Hey, my name's Kashima, also known as Vixen of Soulfood. Y'all already know me though, cause it's my channel. Him there with the hat.
DA Prophet.
DA Prophet.
Yeah.
Right? Where y'all from?
From Brooklyn.
Y'all from Brooklyn? People be thinking I'm from Brooklyn because of the
I
way
go by
I talk.
Maxx Really Real.
How you just jump in like that? You said you was waiting.
My bad.
So we was doing the back. What's your name?
LabRP.
Get some way, bro.
BRP.
Yeah.
Like caviar?
Yeah.
Oh.
Something fancy like
Right? That's different. I never heard that before.
LabRP.
Yeah. I mean, like, I gotta be like the pioneer.
Now you.
I go by Maxx Really Real, you know?
We can't hear you.
I go by Maxx Really Real.
Did y'all hear him? No. Come, listen, let me ask my
Alright, come on,
question.
come
Cause
on.
you, go ahead. They already know me.
Damn, they don't know me, you heard? That's crazy. They supposed to know me. I'm Maxx Really Real though, you heard? From Brownsville, Brooklyn.
Just so I can know everybody's here single. Cause I be wanting to be respectful, you know. I don't want to like, yeah. I want to make sure that, you know, just in case anybody asks me too. Cause girls be asking like, who is that? Who's this?
I the fuck you lying?
Y'all all got situations.
Nah,
I know
I'm
it be like
single.
that. People be having like single situations.
No,
It's
I
like
ain't-
we
I
single,
ain't
but
Nah, they got situations.
Nigga ain't single, but you know.
oh, that's so nice. How long y'all been together?
Ain't nothing like that. But,
Oh.
you know, it's something like that. Like
been-
We
working on each
recording
other.
right now?
Yep. We in the building.
We working on each other.
Nah, you cutting that out, right?
Why? Y'all want to talk about your relationship? So wait, so you two, you private?
Me?
Yeah.
I'm single right now.
Oh, okay. That's only one situationship in the car. That's not bad. That's good. Who phone ringing? Dang. They adamant. You don't want to take that? You can always step out too. You don't have to like stay in here, even though we would listen to the conversation. Yeah, I hear it. It's going in.
With a grabber.
I want to ask the guy in the back who has a situation because it's one of those kind of questions. So your lady friend, right? Let's say that there's activities that she likes to do that you're not into. You know, it could be normal shit like riding bikes and shit like that, right? But she has a friend, and you know, he's male. He's not a girl that likes to do those things.
Right.
So, are you okay with that? Like your, partner like doing other activities that you don't like to do?
Totally not.
If it's a gay guy, would you be okay with it?
I'll be against it anyway, strongly.
Okay. So what? What question? The gay part?
Nah, just the whole shit. I ain't really catching on.
I mean, I just asked because I knew someone that's what they were doing. So I just was like, you know what? I wonder if other people know that there's people who do things like
I
this.
ain't gonna hold you on for not to be odd, because if I, like, say for instance, I'm with a, like me, like we in a relationship,
Mm-hmm.
For me. And the nigga and I got and the nigga in the relationship got a homegirl that do shit that his wife don't do or his shorty don't do and all that.
Mm-hmm.
How would she feel? She got to think about that shit too.
So what if you like to listen to jazz music and go to like jazz like
It don't
events?
matter what it is that we like to do. It just can't be one-sided.
No, I'm saying I'm not saying it's one-sided. What if you do that too? You could do that. What if she be like, yeah, you can go out and...
I bet. It's even game.
Because it's not about sexual activities.
It's even game.
If I'm dealing with a girl and she had male friends, then I'm gonna respect that, you heard? Or if she got niggas she call her brother, I'm gonna respect that. I just gotta check the temperature, see the vibe.
Right, I don't know. I don't trust
I could tell.
the female friends. Like if a guy
Nah,
be like,
I got a female friend that's like my best friend.
I mean,
I would never,
I don't know because
I would never even fuck her.
Right, like
Yeah,
I don't think that. Right, let's get you situated.
Yeah, I need to get comfortable. Like this is a smoke box. I couldn't even look. She rushed me.
Yeah, I didn't. First of
I
all,
couldn't even-
the
you
man
feel
said
me?
4. I got up at 7 o'clock this morning and
What time?
slaved.
At black time, that's 7.
No, it's
I'm
not.
right or wrong?
No. Learning how to be punctual.
Nah,
that
you
matters.
right. I apologize.
Niggas want to be artists and be great. You got to be on time for certain things.
Nah, that's a fact.
So, to get the
You don't got
man
no
a
lighter?
lighter. No, I bought the
Son.
food. I bought
Where is the
water.
lighter? Like,
I bought dessert and I bought lemonade. So if y'all can't get him a lighter, we got a
Whoa.
problem.
I came with everything.
oh, we came with everything.
No, I'm
not
talking
it.
about my life.
They can't
I
find
came with
nothing.
everything, nigga.
Yo, all right, we could, until we get a lighter, we could keep talking. But you got more questions?
Right, because it wasn't arranged. See, the person that told me that they do this, her and her
Fountain?
partner had.
Nah, I'm listening.
You need a lighter. You ain't gonna be able to hear shit until you get a lighter.
Yo, so hold on, we gonna find a lighter right now, man.
Just had a lighter in the car.
This is what we gonna do.
Oh my God.
Look, this one going viral. Ain't nobody lose
It's
a
not.
lighter in the car.
First of all, we ain't even gonna have
You
light.
feel
Y'all
me?
about to not even see us in like another 5 minutes. At this point, yeah, they might as well pull the food out and just start eating.
Nah,
Cause
I gotta smoke.
That's where I've been at with it, though.
dang,
Ain't a lighter more.
light the weed so you can be questioned
All right, bet.
already.
Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it.
I keep saying, where's the lighter every 5 minutes? Leave the car where it's at. No, we not taking no orders from nobody else because y'all hurting the car's crying.
Hello, yeah, nigga, the Maxx gonna pay for it. He really real.
And y'all need to rub her down because she's tight. She got an attitude. She not even gonna drive home right. Watch. She already let me know.
Don't say
There
that.
we
This
go.
my bitch. This one, I'm in control of this.
All right, we back.
That's the problem.
Look,
Oh, what's the problem?
I got a straight attitude, so
What's the problem?
whatever.
I apologize.
AC on the car.
It's the smoke box.
No, it's called HotBox.
It's hotter than a fucking this car.
It's called HotBox Session. That's why it's supposed to be a little bit hot. But no, he got the air going. I don't know much about Brooklyn. Do y'all have like certain slang there that's different from like the Bronx?
We make all this slang. Like,
So what y'all saying now?
whatever we want. Respectfully.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Our lingo
So there's no,
changed.
like-
There's no like set lingo.
Like what are y'all calling girls now? Like the nice girls, like the pretty girls.
I'm grown now. I call them like girls, ladies, women. That
Well, no,
What?
you wouldn't call like a
Hold.
nice looking. You wouldn't call it
I
baggy
call
or
them
thigh.
as they
Oh,
as
whatever they
are.
act like.
Facts.
Okay, that makes
Move
sense.
like a hoe, you a hoe to me.
Jesus Christ.
You
What
call
you
them
call
what?
them?
Brown skin girl.
Right. Can you answer that, girl?
How you know it's a girl though?
Because only women are adamant like that, unless it's money.
It's my son.
Oh.
Yo, these questions come. I thought,
Yeah, I'm being nice to y'all. I'm letting you get high. Just get high.
That's the shit. It's like Drake shit.
I fuck with Drake Champs. Shout out to Drake Champs. I fuck with Drake Champs heavy. I be watching that shit.
Ironically, niggas in left rank city right now, though.
Right.
Where we from?
All right, so Max, what was your worst date you ever had? Let's get into you. I don't think people ask you questions like this. Probably only on Clubhouse. So what's like the worst, like, recently though? Like it has to be like something like new.
No. I ain't going no day in a minute. Oh, matter of fact,
There you go, come on.
that wasn't really a date.
No, it was. That means it was bad. That's why you didn't count it as a date.
Nah, damn, my worst date though. I don't got no worst dates that was recent though.
Well, we can take an old one. What's it, 2 years ago?
I ain't gonna lie, I remember I went on a date with this girl. This was a minute ago, you heard? And I had all my re-up money on me, right? And we went to, I forgot what restaurant we went to. She ordered me mad drinks, food. I'm starving. I don't order nothing because I know there's re-up, you heard, yeah?
Yeah, fuck that.
So I'm like, I'm gonna make sure she good, gang, bro. I buy everything she want. She ordered mad drinks, jerk shrimp, pasta, all type of shit. The whole date I was starving.
You ain't eat none of the food?
No.
Why?
She offered me, you know, the little like, babes, come try this. You sure you? Cause I lie, I'm like, yo, I ate already. Cause I know, I'm like, damn, bro, like, and this is real shit. This shit niggas don't be saying. Like, niggas will do anything to impress y'all. Like, we get up every day, want to get money, want to get fly for y'all.
Right? What's one thing you like about yourself? Then we gotta eat.
Me,
Cause I know I could hear y'all stomachs.
that I'm loyal. And I'm loyal. That's
That's a
the
good
number
quality.
one thing. Like, if I fuck with you, I love you, I'm rocking with you, I'm loyal. Feel me? No matter what we go through. Shit like that, man,
Right.
niggas ain't got morals and principles
You gotta
no
protect
more
your
like
heart.
that. Yeah,
Your
hell
morals, your
yeah. I
energy.
love loyalty more than I love love.
I'm alone in my room. Sometimes I stare at the wall, and in the back of my mind, I hear my conscience call.
Right. What's this one?
I'll
This is a
take that.
random. Oh, you want this one?
What's that?
This is just fish. You wanted
no,
shrimp,
no.
son? Yeah.
I'm taking all of it.
Right. Who's this? I think this is yours. Right.
Boy, if you don't get...
Hold on.
That's cool.
What's that, barbecue chicken?
Yeah, I'm
Blast.
with my cornbread.
Yeah. This is.
Talking about
Give him his corn. Let him have your cornbread. He got fish. He don't eat
It's
that.
okay.
Oh, okay.
It's fish.
I
on it.
just. It's not
There's
shrimp.
no shrimp on it.
No, it's no shrimp.
Thank you.
I don't want nobody to get sick because food allergies are real. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, this so extra heavy. Yeah, this is
Oh
you.
my god.
All right, this is the king platter. Wait a minute.
How that barbecue chicken, man? Yeah, I ain't getting no barbecue chicken.
You,
I ain't asked for that.
you,
though.
he didn't,
But
huh?
I think it's the best interview I've ever been in.
Look at that.
Right. Y'all gotta let me know how it tastes.
And this shit slap.
You got fried chicken and shrimp, collard greens, mac and cheese, candy yams, and cornbread.
yo, do you do catering?
Hell,
Yeah, I'll do catering. All right, hold it up real quick.
hold your shit up, man.
Right, y'all gotta look at the camera. It's just a thumbnail real quick. Max, you gotta look at the camera.
All right, come on.
Your plate.
I'm about to eat. Come on.
We did it. It's already done. All right, I
hold
want
on.
to taste the shrimp. Right
me
down
holla
on
at
my
this real
greens. Right, if y'all want lemonade, it's in that bag back there with y'all. It's cold. Or and this water's back there too.
Your mama taught you how to do this?
Yeah, it was mandatory. Like, you had to learn how to braid and you had to learn how to cook.
Where you from?
I'm from the Bronx, but my family's from Savannah, Georgia.
Oh.
I have so my mom has 3 boys and my father has 5 boys. I have 1 sister and I'm the youngest out of everybody. I'm the baby, so I'm a little bit of a brat.
That's scary.
Why is that scary?
Because a nigga can't fuck up.
Niggas still be fucking up.
Yo, this the red snapper?
Yeah. Oh, I
With the
think
chicken.
Wait, that's the chicken. The red snapper's all the way in the bottom. That's the chicken in your hand.
Alright, bet.
Cause y'all said y'all didn't want no bones or nothing, so I made sure that they I went to the meat market, cause the supermarket is trash.
I ain't gonna lie to you, sis, you did your fucking thing.
Thank you.
No, I forgot we was at an interview. Right.
I was on time. I'll be late.
No, if anything, we'll redo it.
No, this is egg. One and done.
And the strip and the pussy.
Right, so when y'all be giving head to y'all partners or whatever, right? When y'all give fellatio to y'all partners, do y'all kiss them afterwards? Have you ever had anybody turn their head or be like if your girl goes down on you and gets crazy and then she comes up afterwards and goes in your mouth, would you be like whoa, or would you just go with it?
That's my dick.
Fuck your life! Bing bang!
No.
But I mean, you came
I'm not doing that.
You talking about I came?
Yeah, you with him. Y'all had a session. It was. See, I'm talking about real head. I don't know what.
Still kissing you.
Oh, see, that's.
After you shot the load in her mouth.
Nah,
After you shot the load in her mouth.
Yeah.
You out of
Nah,
line,
let them
man.
know. He this. Yup. So
I'm not
assuming-
jacking that.
Yo, that's a no for y'all. So wait, y'all gonna turn y'all head?
What? Fuck out of here.
It got stupid. It's just mess everywhere. He I'm still.
That's what I'm thinking. Cause when they get crazy, that's sloppy.
But that's we get stupid.
Wicked.
I thought you said she's swallowing it. If I'm spitting all on your oil.
It's still gonna be messy regardless, but it's okay what you said. It's not. It's mad people who would do that. Some people be like, we in there. We already in it. So what? It's all in the same place. Let's go.
I'm not eating no.
Okay. He I'm not tasting all of that.
I'm not eating no kids. My shit, the way my shit come out, that's different. I ain't with it.
Right.
Mine is mine, brother.
Y'all ever had 2 people pregnant at the same time? Right. He didn't say no. You not that.
I ain't gonna lie.
Nah.
No comment.
That's a stupid question.
No comment. That's possible. He I'm not going there. We gonna leave that one alone. Woo. Right? I would be nervous. What do that feel like?
What?
To have 2 people pregnant at the same time. You can have a few people pregnant. They can get multiple bitches pregnant at the same time. It's just, just the fact that it's possible. You know what I mean? It's a fact. I was whoa.
Sure.
That's a lot of love spreads. So how y'all enjoying the food? Right, so Max, when your music coming out? When you dropping? Is there a date yet? Any hints? Or you not sure yet? It's like
Probably like September. I'm taking care of some shit, so you might get something in August. But September is when the tape is gonna be dropping.
okay. So we get a little sample in August of what is to come.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So is it gonna be like a mixture of stuff, or it's like
I'm gonna
like
let
a
you
one
hear that
sound?
shit. Nah, it's gonna be different sounds.
Right? Y'all still got the banana pudding. Y'all gotta taste that real quick. Somebody taste one. Oh, you did? Look. Right? Tell me how that's going. How it tastes. Did I do good? Right? He like, I'm quiet. That's all you need to know.
Everything you
And the game
I
playing with some
appreciate
shit.
that.
You do what you're supposed to do.
Right? This is who sponsored the smoke session. That bag.
This is good weed too. It's good weed right here, you know. This how we smoke too on a regular like. That blunt, that matter of fact.
Right there.
I'm good, bro. I ain't even gonna hold you.
See, look, he
I'm
like
straight. No funny shit. I'm comfortable. I'm good. Look, see? Nigga, good. I'm about to roll up another L, nigga.
see, right?
I'm not bothered at all. This the type of shit a nigga go through every day, man. Yeah. Wifey be thinking I be doing the most, and when she see this interview, she don't even know a nigga doing none of this. I told her we going to the studios, some whole different niggas. Feel me? She don't even know a nigga doing this interview.
We gonna edit you out.
I love you, baby. You know,
No,
I'm telling
he's
real.
listen.
Yeah.
He was honest. He let me know he's in a
I need a
relationship.
girl
said I'm a-
like you. Huh?
This shit going viral. This nigga's
Right?
crazy.
Listen, he
This
just did a little
nigga's going
song.
viral.
That's how you do it.
That nigga got me. He said, "I love you, baby." Tell the world.
He like, I'm
No funny shit.
comfortable.
She think a nigga be on. I ain't gonna lie. I be on some creep shit. I'm a creep. But,
No, you not, man.
Max like, don't
you
do
do
it.
is
He like,
do
he gonna
music.
he going down the rabbit hole.
Here, creep.
The shit that I be doing. I'm that nigga. I ain't afraid to say it, nigga.
No, he's being honest. This
If
is
my
a safe
female
place.
do the type of shit that I be doing, what? Bitch, get out of here.
What you be doing?
Everything.
No, you don't.
What?
Don't say that with me. I don't be there. You see me?
Yeah, he like,
be
I
there.
don't be there.
Not me. I don't
Not
know
on your
what you
tongue?
talking about. We just go to the studio and I don't know. He by himself. I don't know.
Well, he's not saying he physically does it. Maybe it's more
No,
virtual.
I don't know what he talking about.
Maybe it's like, you mean like social
I'm
media?
talking about physical. I'm a nasty nigga. I be wildin'. But at the same time, I found the young lady that, you know, me and her got chemistry, you know. So I gotta respect certain shit. So I'm teaching myself discipline right now.
Oh, that's not bad. That's
Real
good.
nigga,
Yeah,
bro.
that is.
Yeah, bro.
Because that's not easy.
how you-
Especially in this world.
That's how you clean that shit up.
Yeah, I ain't never had it before. I'm telling you the God on the truth, bro. I ain't never had it before. Right now, I'm teaching myself discipline. You feel me? In order for me to get to the next level in life, period. You know? I ain't want to be too vulgar. But
Look, see this night. She gonna
Thank
be
you.
like, babe, I love you.
thank you, bro.
Man,
She
your
love me
shit's
anyway.
She gonna be like, oh
Nah.
my God, who
Yeah,
made
nah.
this?
I'll be-
Let her know I
getting
do
something
private
now.
catering.
Regardless, God.
No, but you getting something
Come in the
now.
crib, she be like, hey, take your shirt off.
Salmonella.
It's
This
real.
is yours.
Nigga
This
doing
one is
push-ups
mine.
now, too. Slick. And I'm bringing sexy back, nigga.
Yeah.
Talking about myself.
Y'all should gotta ride, say bye.
I said it.
When?
I said I appreciated the food. The food was fire and all that.
I appreciate the food, man. What the fuck I made putting up.
Hey, yo.
It's a lot of y'all people to check out.
Make sure y'all go follow Vixen. I believe that's her name. For me, go follow her. She's a fucking amazing with the
Yeah, her food fire.
What?
What? Next time we doing, listen, this is just the beginning. We gonna do a better one at the studio. You heard? Lamb chops, mashed potatoes, asparagus, broccoli, salmon. We want jerk salmon, jerk shrimp.
He's
and that's
just talking
Gucci.
because he was late, so he can't make requests.
We gonna make up for that though, you heard? We definitely gonna make up for that. I got this single that's about to come out too. It's called Two. That shit.
It's called Two.
The feedback already crazy from like around the industry. Y'all wanna let you hear this shit?
Right, you want to put him read?
There's a plan. Hold up, I got a Homie said he in the drug, selling drugs too. Homie said he is a blood, I'm a blood too. Homie said he is a thug. Nigga, I be going in, I be going hard. Plug, he from overseas, I need a calling card. Had to be a worker first, to become a boss. Tryna own a Wingstop, somebody hit a rush. Remember I was fucked up, I was falling off. Now I could go wake up and go buy a Porsche. Shorty tryna leave me, thinking it's a loss. Told her listen to my right and go shake it off. The homies better gon' spin if we take a loss. Shooter getting fired if he isn't on his job. Man, I'm really from the streets, I got too many scars. Why you always switching V's? I got too many cars. He ain't make music but he soft, he go to bars. Yeah, that nigga rap like he tough but he is a fraud. I just fucked a famous bitch, I took her to the loft. Hit that bitch from the back, her wig was falling off. Homie said he is a plug, I'm a plug too. Homie said he's selling drugs, I sell drugs too. Homie said he is a blood, I'm a blood too. Homie said he is a thug, I'm a thug too. I could have $1 million and still use ZBT. 20 on me, still a swipe, a bacon, egg and cheese. Damn, I had to leave my ex, she ain't believing me. Every time I fuck a bitch, my phone on D&D. Damn, I came a long way, now I'm on BT. My op drove the wrong way, he shot up his V. Wasn't only selling crack, I was selling weed. Wasn't only in the trap, I had a JOB. COVID had us fucked up, but we had PPP. Cali really showed love, thanks to EDD. When they come to guns, I got arms like a centipede. When they come to drugs, I'm the plug, had so many fiends. Homie said he is a plug, I'm a plug too. Homie said he's selling drugs, I sell drugs too. Homie said he is a blood, I'm a blood too. Homie said he is a thug, I'm a thug too.
CBT, 20 on me, still
The
a swipe,
wig
a
one was
bacon, egg and
hilarious.
cheese. Video, I gotta have a 20 pack, you know, and still pull out the EBT card.